Hi, it's Jonna, the preppy crafty girl, and I am here to have some fun with you guys. I went to an estate sale and I picked up this box of sewing notions. I have no idea what's in here. I see a couple of things that I liked and I went for it because how do you leave a box of vintage sewing notions behind, right? And the price was right, so I picked it up. And if you ever see these are so super cute. Now this one, somebody stapled some, is it stapled on it? No, it's just taped. I'll have to try to get that off. But if you ever see these, they are needle books, and they used to give these away as freebies. Sometimes you'll see advertisement on there, but this is how the old needle books came. I know there's reproductions out there. I thought this is Aunt Martha's hot iron transfer. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? I'm getting ready to do some pages in my own journal, and this will be perfect. If you're not familiar with hot iron transfers, you use an iron, and it was used for embroidery. So even the envelopes are cool, and the images on this are really neat too on the transfers. And so this has been used, but look at the silverware. Very cute. So you can either just use a transfer as is, or you can use it in your journal, iron it on your journal page. Anyway, they're fun to use. Let's see what else is in here. Snap fasteners from Sears, which is no more. I have no idea what that is. Ooh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Eleanor's Knit Shop, Memphis, Tennessee. 6-inch ruler, and it feels like it's made of like a file folder, like an old file folder cardstocky type thing. But how cool is that? That's gonna be great in a sewing journal. Let's see what else is in here. What's this bag say? Hancock Fabrics. They're no longer around, I don't think, are they? But that's really cute. I'll have to stick that in a journal. Fabrics, notions. That'll be really cute in a sewing journal. There's these little skinny button. Here's an old button card. These are Mother of Pearl. It probably was One Lucky Day or something. I see the lady's feet on there. That, don't know what this is. Has a pin. Oh, it probably was on a garment. And I don't even know where to start. This feels like, no, it's cord, not elastic. I thought it was elastic. Let's pull out lots of extra buttons, and oh my goodness, I love her. Seriously? Oh. With the olive green buttons. Well, this is called sorrel green back then. Oh my goodness, love her. Can't wait to use her. Lancing, I have several of the Lancing ones. What are these? Screw eyes. Those are good for making junk journal charms. Quality buttons. Gloria Vanderbilt. Oh my goodness, that's perfect for a 1980s journal. Gloria Vanderbilt. That was like late 70s, early 80s, right? That's a pretty button. Sears, and look at these. Remember the bauble buttons? I call them bauble buttons. Man, it's gonna take me a while to get through these. I better get rolling here. Fairloom blue, pretty, 10 cents. You know, that's old. This went to a blue long sleeve dress from, I don't know. Anyway, it's taped. What else we got? Jewel tone. Those are really neat. What is this thing? Some needles. Another. Ooh, here's two of these. Sew and stitch. And then here's another one of the Vogue ones that has a lot more needles in it. So cool. That right there is a great find. Fun. I love using these as shaker cards. So I pull out whatever's in it and I use these as shakers, and I put a piece of paper on the back, and they make really cute journal spots. So that's a free idea for you there. No, I'm just kidding. I have no idea. What is in this? This is a big old wide elastic. Extra buttons. These are, that's neat. The Fairloom 15 cents. Wouldn't that be cute on top of a tag? Or on the bottom of a tag or something? Let's see. It's a clothing thing. This is probably for a waistband, maybe? Folded over. The elastic. I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure that one out. There's a lot of, this must have been her box that when she got new clothing, she would cut the tags and throw them in a box. This must have been that box. Although there is trim in here. Who doesn't love a good rickrack? Come on, people. And then there's this eyelet trim. And then there's more of this white cording. And I'm not going to torture you guys by me pulling it out. I love when they stitch all these little buttons together like that. And you find little button rounds. Isn't that fun? Some La Petite and Lansing. Here's some Clinton eye hooks. Those are fun to use. Clothing, Allen Lolly, never heard. Made in Hong Kong. Fun. Here's some trim. This is that GIMP. And what else we got? Another button. Le Petite. Whoa, Sears big red button. Oh, what's this thing? That's an interesting. Is that a snap? I don't know. No, it's a button. It's kind of cool. This is for a brown and blue short sleeve shirt. Oh, it was Jim's. How cute is that? Schaus yellow sweater type top. Bechamel. Needles from Singer. Neat. Some metal buttons. Pink buttons. What else we got? Oh my goodness, look at this thing. Motor lubricant from Singer. That'd be fun to put in my sewing room. It's a little ephemera up on a shelf. This, I think, is for curtains, isn't it? Where you hang a, it's for the Roman shades, right? I think it is. I think this is for Roman shades, if I'm not mistaken. Here's some metal buttons, and here's some of those blue bobble buttons. Are fun. Jewel tone. And that, and this is old. The Boy Needle Company, Chicago, darning needles. I mean, there's just all kinds of treasures in here. This is, I think what's gonna happen is the lower I get, I can kind of see it's gonna be like a time warp. We're gonna go back in time. We're gonna go back in time. Let's see, this has an old button card and then some miscellaneous buttons, and I think, I don't know, this feels like, I forgot what that's called, the edging. Well, chic. I speed things up here because I'm sure some gold plastic curtain rods. Curtain rings, I'm sorry, not curtain rods. Look at that. That's a old cafe rod curtain ring. These are neat. These green Taylor's chalk. I mean, I'm just gonna, this whole show is just gonna be about this. Look at this little applique. D-buckle rings. Those are handy, but look how cute they are with their little backpacks. Come on. Isn't she fancy back there? Oh, this goes to, this holds your thread on to with the sewing machine, right? Here's some more hem tape trim and Velcro. Lee David collection. Look at that big button. Love. Oh, we know what this is. Somebody did some fabric covered buttons. Somebody did some fabric covered buttons. Milano Design Group. There's some little bugle beads. Pearl Mate, polyester pearl. Bert Pulitzer, Le Chic, extra buttons. These all have buttons in them, but I'm not gonna open them on here with you guys. Let's see what else we got. La Mode, Le Chic. That came off clothing. What are these? Dill's pipe cleaners. Isn't that cute? Pocket. That's a great thing to put in a men's journal, huh? But you know what it'd even be better for is the fact that my grandfather used to smoke a pipe. I'm gonna put this in my journal about my mother's father. Always smoked a pipe. Yep. I still remember it. I think he like smoked like sweet vanilla or something. I remember having a sweet vanilla-y scent. Oh my goodness, tons and tons of buttons. That's gonna be, I'm gonna have to be taking all these apart, pulling all the buttons out. Here are some plastic metal look 1990 buttons. Oh, yep, she did. She covered, she covered them. Well, not with this one, but she bought another one to cover. And here's another one of those bags. I just love this. I love this with the sewing notions. What else we got in here? Hopefully there's some heat and bond. Iron-on fabric for mending, repairing, and decorating. Because I love heat and bond. These are a bunch of needles. Okay, this one isn't that old. This is Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby. Sewing machine needles for leather. Sewing machine needles. Sewing machine needles for Universal. And yeah. I'm seeing the end of the box. Oh, look at these iron-on patches. Denim iron-on patches. What? Here's a black one. Singer new sewing machine warranty. Iron-on fabric. That'll be fun to try. Maybe I can dye it with some food color or something. Extra buttons. Buttons, buttons, lots of buttons. Oh my goodness, lots of stuff in here. Still going, still going. And those are pretty. Here's another, here's a thingy. Oh, that was my mother's name. Kind of cool. So I'm gonna definitely have to dig through here and see which ones I want to keep. And then use other ones for journals. That's a cool button. 35 cents only. What is this thing on here? This is a Halloween envelope. Oh, pumpkin. How cute is this little envelope? Even though I don't do Halloween, but it's super cute. Two little pumpkins. These are smiley faces. Okay, anyway. Here are oh, these are gold. These are like some kind of brass ring. I thought those were the cafe. More buttons. These look like snaps of some sort. Burgundy dress snaps. Oh, look at this one. Banlon sweater. Look how cute. I don't know if you can see her. How cute is she? And it's a little book, and then it's got little people on the inside. Little women. Oh my goodness. Okay, love that. There's a couple of things in here that are well worth it. Here's a coat of arms from England, little needle book. Oh, this is a different style cafe rod. Look, where you clip it on and put it on the rod. I mean, rod hook, whatever that's called. Clip. And more buttons. And then these are cabone rings. Is that what it's called? Is that how you pronounce that? Oh my goodness. Orange bobbly bit. Oh, some more tailor chalk. I have absolutely no idea what that is. I'm gonna, oh, this is nice. Oops, a crochet hook. Do I have this one? This is a J. I may not have a J. Okay, what else we got? That, this, needles. What else is down here? Getting to the bottom, people. Oh, Christine, what? Christine Moore. Oh my goodness. That's cool. That's really neat. Okay. Oh, look at these tiny little infant buttons. How cute is that? There's one up on that pin too. These are cute. What a cute way of, it's for a rolled sleeve, but it looks like a kind of a collar. There's a little crocheted one. And some more loose random ones. Down here, this looks old right here. That's a nice card right there. Nui's Imperial. Size 1, made in England. What's this thing? That is a knob of some sort. It's very heavy, feels like it might be brass. Extra buttons. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to go through all of these button cards and pull the buttons out. Some of the ones that are attached to, or if they're in these little envelopes, sometimes I just keep them in there, but the ones that are in the plastic, I pull out because I can't stand those. This is mother of pearl right there. Pretty. Another sewing needle. This is a cute one. This is blue and cream. Probably was white back in the day. This looks old. 10 cents. Quality buttons. Oh, look at this old cotton natural blend. Back in the day when they did actual... Oh, that's a heavy, that's mother of pearl right there. Oh, it came from Penny's. Before it was JC Penney's, always first quality. Look at that. That's cool. That's really neat. These are patches of all kinds of colors. Crayon, oh, more hem tape. Are these... Those are eyelets. And oh my goodness, look at all these buttons. Anything fun in here? Let's see. Oh wait, there's another bottom of a button card. And then what's this? Heirloom Collectibles. That is a crocheted wool button. Some sequins. Look at, there's another pattern. Let's see, and there's another card. Chic. Oh, this is pretty elegant. That would have been a pretty button card, I bet. Oh, wait, it's right here. I'm gonna have to repair this. Maybe I can find the rest of it in this box. But, okay. Colored pencil. Buttons, those are brass. I feel like these are some fun yellow ones. It's a big red one. What are these? More. There are so many of. There's so many. Goodness gracious! It's got to be years of shirt buttons in here. These are neat. This is neat. These are pretty color. There. Red ones and just all sorts. Okay, so that's my haul for the day. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so that was fun. Oh my goodness, my desk is a mess. All right, I'll be right back. Let me clean my desk off.